scary. Oh!
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the bell.
Hey guys! It's me again, Kitty. I have something super exciting today. It's the most exciting thing I have been waiting since last year. I actually pre-ordered this last year, and I think most people know what the title is. I actually got it yesterday and I forgot what it was, and then I opened it, I was like I was gonna unbox this on stream, but then I was like I couldn't wait, so I'm making a video and we can see. Let's open it! Alright, are you ready? This is so exciting shit. Now it said that it included what did it say? It said a collector's TV box. Look at this shit, look. It's a TV box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, at the side. Oh my god, at the back. Oh my gosh, I just saw the back. It's like an actual TV box. Alright. Keep calm. We're all good. Okay, so first thing is this. Oh shit! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is not my first figurine. I have one. Kiwi gave it to me. This is my kind of second one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, and it's like getting pulled out of the TV. I wonder if this has any relationship to the game. I have not played a game or seen anyone play the game, so I'm very excited for them. Put this aside. What else do we have in there? Of course, we have the game. What else? What is this? Oh my gosh, this is scary. This is so scary. This is so scary. It doesn't have English on it. Wow. So this is like the, oh my gosh, the original art book, concept art book of the Little Nightmare. Look at this. Wow. Am I spoiling myself by looking through it? It's so, wow. I'll do a close-up later. And then what else do we have? We have this tin box. Look how pretty. What's in it? What's in it? Oh, it has its original CD. So it's the original soundtrack of the CD. Man, it's so good. I cannot wait to play this game. Do they have anything inside here? I think they do. Oh, okay. So they've got a download code. So for some extra things for you. So a download code. So you got a physical copy. But what does a download code download? So I basically have 2 download codes. I think I have 2 download codes for the game. Really? That's so cool. That's so cool. Alright, can't wait to play this game.